Where are we going? Yeah, we're gonna go walking later.
Exercise.
Yeah.
You're gonna record all this? This is for your vlog?
Do you know where we're going exactly though?
Yeah, we're going to the road and we're gonna walk down. We're gonna walk past all the shops.
Oh yeah. We need to go shopping.
Yeah. Massage.
Oh yeah, massage! Perfect.
This isn't that bad.
It is so hot.
These are all the resorts along here.
Yeah. What is it?
The resorts.
Oh yeah. We're on where?
No
I
idea.
don't know where we are. But we're just walking outside. We should wait for the sunscreen to set for like 20-30 minutes. It's not even 10 minutes yet. Damn,
No, we're okay, we're in the shade.
we will burn.
You can vlog, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to the pool. We're in the cab.
Cut.
Car!
Okay,
Kailangan namin sumakay ng golf cart papunta sa kung saan-saan kasi ang layo. See?
I wonder what the pool's going to be like now since it's all
Yeah.
nice and cool.
I hope it's
This
not.
is nice weather.
cool.
I think the trick here is not to go like a walk like we did today. It's too early.
Yeah.
I think you got to stay until it gets
right.
this. So you
No,
got
if we walk early, we need to take a taxi.
yeah,
It was too hot.
yeah.
I look like a roasted pig. Lechon. I'm so dark. May pipick up sa ibang tao.
You say the
We're
most
here.
inappropriate things to do. That sort of look.
Super. Oh, let's stay in the shade.
Still with this?
Yeah.
Let me get some towels.
Thank you.
A little.
Yeah. More. Oh, harsh.
Is it alright?
Yeah, it's fine. Be more gentle. You don't know how to do it. Just be freaking gentle. Oh, you don't. Hala over. Hey, that's bad. No, that's not right.
They pull that out. They put new water in.
No,
Hey,
you're
what-
so bad.
That's what they do. Oh, sorry.
Look at how beautiful this is, you guys. That's a really beautiful pool. Is it good?
Have a taste. You won't like it.
I wouldn't. I don't like the smell.
Taste the alcohol.
That looks really cool. What is yours called?
Sorry?
Phuket Paradise? This one?
I remember people looking at you wondering if you're tired of the time.
I know.
I reckon they're going, you want to
I
buy
know. Well, I have that look.
Girls wanna nut. Sure, for massage. Girls wanna nut.
2 hours of walking today.
2 hours of walking.
Yeah, 2 walks, an hour each.
Malapit na kami sa hotel. We're here at last. Waiting for the car. Oh, no. Kidding, it's a taxi.
Maybe.
Yeah, why? Oh, my legs are so freaking sore. Hi guys! I'm in the pool area again. We're here on the deck. Pero wala siya. We're here on the deck. Nakaharap lang kami sa sa beach. It's so nice. Can you see the pool? There's the pool right there. Okay. Nahihiya pa rin ako mag-vlog. I'm still doing my best, you guys. Ang dami kayang tao dito. Tingnan nyo ah. No, you can't really see. Pero madaming tao dito. And you can see my phone on my glasses. I'm just wearing a cover up and then my bikini heels. I'm waiting for the menu. Inutusan talaga yun. I'm waiting for the menu. We'll see what I get later on. Okay ngayon kasi hindi masyadong mainit. Bongga. Mga kasi mga 4:30 na ata or 5 na siguro. This is my view, you guys. Yung beach nila hindi ganun kaganda eh. So ayokong lumangoy dyan. Hindi naman kasi ako talaga mahilig dyan. Gusto ko lang naman siya tingnan. So yeah, that's the view.
It works.
Yeah, can you see yourself?
Nah.
No? That's you.
Is it?
Yeah.
The big white patch? Is that me? Oh,
Move, can you see yourself?
I can now, yeah.
You can?
Yeah. I can see.
That looks good.
We're getting here, baby.
No, we go to the place you said.
I don't even know the place, I was just like assuming. Oh, we'll see how we go.
Yeah, right.
I don't know the place.
You don't?
No, I was just thinking there's gonna be.
Yeah, there should be.
Coffee, hash brown, yogurt,
Yeah.
tomorrow, and maybe an egg.
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 I like the egg that you had this morning. I think it's the perfect size, so it would work. Yeah. It wasn't as big as the one yesterday. That one was crazy. You had everything in it?
Yeah. It's just easy to say everything. And like, I don't use it. So just chuck it all in later.
Thai food, seafood, welcome.
Look at that. Yeah. That's sexy. What is it?
I like to thought this is a wood. I like to just
Oh, so you can use it's a key. Oh yeah, it's a keychain.
Keychain, magnet.
Okay. Cool.
Makeup brush.
Sorry.
Yes, over there.
I don't have makeup brushes. I like makeup brushes.
I don't have a bit.
No, I'm done.
I was just gonna walk down here.
Shortcut to Walking Street. See?
We get sore legs, we can always cut it. We get sore legs and cut
I
it.
don't need Google.
My wife has it.
that is pretty much true. Banana babe, for you.
Yeah, bro, here. I got some plane here.
Oh, look at those baby dresses. Oh, look at this babe. But look at this.
You like these stuff, man?
Just you make it wide.
Look at it.
Little hot dog.
The doggies.
That'll pull actually, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's very delicate though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Family.
Yeah.
How much are they?
Oh,
This one 450. This one 550. Not same. This one is only same.
Look at these specs. That is a little porcupine.
This one same 100 baht. This one 150, 250. Handmade box, yeah.
what is it made of?
Glass.
Oh, just
Family
glass?
special.
It's glass, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fish.
What size you think? Good evening.
Yeah, put one in your house.
Lamb ship, guys.
The white looks nice.
Very easy to carry, nice for decoration.
Yeah.
No, some.
How much are these?
Oh, dream catchers.
500 baht. 400 baht.
Do you have a dream catcher?
I've already caught it.
Huh?
I've already caught it.
Whatever.
You're so cool.
Which one you want? I give you this one. This one or that one or this one?
Sorry, no thanks. Look at these little minions though.
Yeah. My sister loves
Big
minions.
one, 400 baht.
Oh, look at that bracelet face.
What's that, sorry?
400. Okay? 399.
Look at this. It's cute.
How much you give?
Oh, no worries.
350. Nothing?
Do you want it? No, right? Oh, look it.
This is actually cool looking straight. They got like
Yeah, it's not
they got the
busy.
stalks down there as well.
Oh, let's go. Perfect for me, kid size.
Oh, that is your size.
My size. Oh, this is
These are
cute.
That would fit you, ain't it?
No, that's
Bullshit.
too small. No. What the heck? I was kidding. It would.
This would fit you.
It would be like the.
That's like
It would be like really short shorts, like my butt hanging out.
perfect.
Perfect. Let's buy you those.
You just wear them around the hotel.
Yeah, right. The black would look really good in your house.
The black?
Yeah, the black furniture.
Black furniture? Yeah.
Yeah, because your house now is so manly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice one.
Did you wear that though?
No.
It's not good.
That's too long for me.
Too long, yeah. You can make it shorter.
By what?
I'll cut it.
You will. Look at babe.
Sorry?
Oh, I thought it's the same as yours.
Similar.
Yeah.
What about little bracelets?
I don't like neon on me. It will make me look black. It will. It will bring out the darkness in me. Those are nice. Their shorts are huge though.
You would never get up to wear shorts or buy shorts.
No. I need to try it on.
Then we can laugh. Oh, this is similar to what we wore yesterday. Oh, that's good.
I think that would look good on you, babe. I'm not kidding.
Okay, we got married.
You don't like
if I
it?
get married in the Philippines, I'll wear that.
Oh. Hello, look at him.
Huh?
Massaging the That's pretty intense. Oh, no, not really.
And that's how
They're just-
his friends.
They're just-
That's pretty intense. That takes you through to the dirty street you don't like.
Wow. It's not that I don't like it. I just want to go. I just don't want to go inside.
Yeah.
But it's fine. Where are we going?
So this, I don't know, this will probably take us onto the other road.
Okay.
You
So
know the other road,
we'll go
or
there.
David Street.
No, it's up to you. What is that right there?
Yeah, that's where the bars are.
Oh.
We can walk through the bars.
No, it's up to you. This looks like a hotel.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
That'd be better filming. You like, okay, let's go here.
No, I'm just. Oh, I like that short thing. It's gonna be too long on me. Yeah, too long. That one, I just like the elephant.
Oh, this one would be smaller. That might be too long. That'd be the same as this.
Oh, here, look it. Oh, that looks so cute. It's too big.
That one's big.
Yeah, like look
I
at
have
her
same
waist
color.
though.
It's okay for you. Asian size, special.
Big That's how you measure it.
Yeah, this is really one. This is your style. I love Phuket.
Not really. See, kitchen. The kitchen part of the hotel. Oh, look at that way. 80% off.
Up to 80%.
Yeah, right.
Prawns are sharp.
Nah. Hey, I'm not that bad.
No, you're actually pretty good though.
Here?
That's okay. This is that local sort of What would you eat though?
I don't know. Prawns?
You get like stuff to share, like get like a squid.
I don't like that.
You know what squid?
It's fine, but that's too big. You want prawns?
You eat prawns?
Yeah, I eat prawns. Of course I do. Do we just go sit though and then? No. Oh, they have that. 90. Oh, it's 99. French fries.
Yeah, so you got French fries and a hash brown.
No hash brown.
Hash
What
brown?
do you like?
I've already done anything. I'm Aussie.
Ooh, garlic pepper lobster sounds really good.
I think it's per kilo they charge.
Mmm, yummer. I can finish all that. I'm sure they have rice.
Yeah.
Hi.
Do we just choose seafood or do you choose from here?
You should here. Okay.
Wow.
Check by weight. What you want? Fish, prawn, lobster.
How
Wait.
much are the prawns? Like kilo?
Prawn. This 1 kilo 1,200 baht. Or you want other one? Just
The
one
prawn.
plate. Okay, 4 piece, 350 baht.
4 pieces, 350?
Yes.
And you choose what
And
kind
fish
of
600 baht 1 kilo. For one fish about 400 baht. One fish about 700 grams, 600 grams, 700 grams.
What do you feel like?
I don't know, I could get prawns. How about the lobster?
Lobster today 3,000 baht 1 kilo. For one lobster about half
80 baht.
kilo, 1,500. Lobster.
No lobster.
How about the squid? How much is the squid?
So fish 250 baht for one.
For one?
Yeah.
Oh,
We go get 2 prawns each and some squid.
yeah.
And do you do rice?
Rice? Yes.
What's
So what did you say? How many
What-
prawns?
4.
2 each? I can only finish one. That's huge, right?
What the hell?
Yeah.
Okay, well you don't finish. I'll eat.
Yeah, you eat 3.
So what else? You eat squid?
Yeah, I'll get a portion.
Or do you want something? Do you want fish instead of squid? Do you want fish?
No, squid is fine. So 1 squid.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could we go 4 prawns, 1 squid, and just normal rice, or do it special rice?
Oh,
Do
just
fried
normal
rice.
rice.
Or do it steamed rice with pineapple?
No, I don't like that. Just regular. Wait, do we choose how they cook it?
I don't think so.
No. What?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Do we choose how you cook it or not?
I'm cooked inside.
Do we choose how it's cooked, or do you just cook it?
Yeah,
the same?
you choose how to cook. What you want to cook?
Ah.
Yes. For prawn, can do barbecue or fly curry pepper sauce.
What do you like though?
What you want?
What's the second one?
Can barbecue and
Or-
stir fry with curry pepper sauce or chili paste, sweet and sour. I have menu. Okay, you see menu. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Alright.